What's up YouTube, Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to a new video. In this video I want to kind of go over a topic that I've been seeing a lot of in my comments, my Facebook group. My course students are talking about this, and it's RSIM. So if you guys don't know, there's such things as RSIM. I'm going to show you guys what they are. RSIMs, they're unlocked SIMs you guys can use to unlock iPhones. There's tons of videos on how to use them, what steps to take, but I wanted to talk to you guys briefly about it and how I use them to make money. So I actually offer unlocking services in my area to those who want their iPhones unlocked. So let's say you have a Sprint iPhone, iPhone 7. Now, Sprint's not unlocking the phone. You want to take your phone to, let's say, Cricket, and Sprint's just not working with you with unlocking it. You don't want to buy a brand new phone or even a used phone. You don't want to come out of pocket with that when you already have a device. Then what you do is you come to me, or if you're the one who is offering that service, they'll come to you and they'll have you carrier unlock the phone. So I use these SIM chips, these RSIMs, to program the phone to where it'll work with GSM carriers like T-Mobile, Metro, Cricket, AT&T. Now again, I offer this service for $50 in my area. I know some people who do it for $70, $60. It all depends on where you are. It's always best to test the market. Just post a couple ads that you unlock phones, see how it goes. Post a couple different prices and see how many messages you get based off of those prices. Now again, you can easily make an extra $1,000, $2,000 a month doing this. Now I don't push my unlock service as much as I probably should, but I still make a lot. Just yesterday I made $150 just off of unlock. So I unlocked 3 phones, I charge $50 a piece, and that's how I did it. So there are 2 different SIMs that I use. I typically use the generic one, generic smart SIM that I actually sell to different flippers, and sometimes I'll sell to different shops. And I also use the Unlock Genie SIM. I know some of you guys have heard about the Unlock Genie SIM. I'm an affiliate for this particular company. The guy reached out to me. He wanted me to use them. He gave me a good deal on 10. I bought 10 of them, so he gave me a really good deal on them. And kind of wanted me to compare the 2. Now again, these both will unlock your phone, no doubt about it. They both will unlock your phone. I will say that the Unlock Genie is great because it has the ICCID miner, which is the number you'll need to unlock the phone. So they have good customer support. They have a website where you guys can check that. You don't have to go on different websites for that. The guy who's the owner of this company, he's easy to reach, so that's why I like to choose this particular SIM over the others, just because of the customer service that you're gonna get, and the fact that I've never had an issue with this one. I've had some issues with the generic SIM as far as the 10s Maxes. I don't know if some of you guys are knowing, but some of the 10s Maxes won't unlock, in my experience, with this particular SIM. Now, I've unlocked tons of 10s Maxes with this one and didn't have an issue. So it's up to you guys to choose which one you want. Again, guys, for this one, I really like it for the support that you get and the fact that you can contact the guy for any questions. There's a group about this particular SIM. There's a group you guys can go on. It's a lot more. Even though it's more as far as the price, you get a lot more for that. So in the end, it's all worth it. So again, choose whichever one you want. Again, I use them. They're great. One thing you have to understand is let whoever you're unlocking the phone for, whoever you're selling an RSIM unlocked phone to, let them know, hey, do not reset the phone. Resetting the phone when you're dealing with RSIMs, when you factory reset the device, it locks the phone back to the carrier. That's one thing and one reason why some people don't like to use them. But as long as you're honest, you're very clear on, telling people and explaining to people that this will happen when you do this, and they understand that, then you're fine. Yesterday, I unlocked the lady's phone. I let her know, hey, do not factory reset the phone. When you do that, it resets the software, it takes off the unlock. So I suggest you don't do that. She was perfectly fine with it. She was happy that I was honest with her. And then I let her know that, if that does happen, you might forget. Then I usually will unlock the phone for you again a second time for just like a low fee, like $10, just for my time. And that's how it works. So you make a lot of money with these things, guys. But as long as you're honest, as long as you're willing to take that risk, it is a bit of a risk to unlock the phone, and not have a backlash as far as somebody coming after you saying you didn't tell them this when you clearly did, but it's all part of the business. So just wanted to kind of give you guys a little insight on it. There are tons of videos on YouTube on how to actually do it. So I'm not going to make a video on that. Just wanted to give you guys the two options you guys can choose from. There's a ton of generics that are being sold for cheaper. But again, the Unlock Genie is a great SIM. Hopefully it focuses. A great SIM to use due to the fact that they work and the fact that they have great customer support. They have a website you guys can go on and all that. So that's what I use for the most part, but I also sell these as well. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully I can get into more depth in another video about actually how to go about unlocking them. Maybe I can take you guys on a couple of trips of me unlocking the phone, so you guys can see on how I do things. So if you do enjoy the video, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.